Bad coaches affect athletes' mental health. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Iman Maisarah binti Mayidin. My matrix number is 068416. I am from class SMIR B. Today, our topic is about bad coaches affect athletes' mental health and why. Who is the coach? Coach is a person who an athlete instructor or trainer and the one who responsible to teach the athletes with all their might. Here are some of bad effects on athletes' mental health. Mental illness is common. About 1 in 5 adults has a mental illness in any given year. Mental illness can begin at any age, from childhood through adult years, but most cases begin earlier in life. Examples of signs and symptoms include feeling sad or down. Yes, if we ask the victim, they feel sad most of the time at an indescribable point. Second, for confused thinking or reduced ability to concentrate. As you know, this point is a really bad thing for an athlete as concentration is important in the game. Next, excessive fear or worries, or extreme feelings of guilt and extreme mood changes of highs and low. Except grieving feelings, these feelings also happen to them. Next, withdrawal from friends and activities. If you saw some of your friends who are athletes and they become like this, please be concerned about them. Significant tiredness, low energy or problems sleeping like insomnia, detachment from reality, delusions, paranoia or hallucinations, inability to cope with daily problems or stress, prone to body pain and headache. Trouble understanding relating to situations, to people. They become more clueless and unable to put the right emotion into the situation. Problems with alcohol or drug use because of the lack of emotion. Most of them use drunkenness just to feel the emotion back. Some of the patients might have overdosed and been admitted to the hospital many times. Major change in eating habits. This can bring to anorexia, sex drive change, excessive anger, hostility or violence, mostly acute to the male, but some situation female too. And the most hazardous, suicidal thinking. Reasons why the coaches can affect athletes' mental health. Firstly, coach influence their life. Yes, most of the athletes actually stay with the coach almost 15 hours a day, not included the camp, summer camp, and others. So it is no different if you see that the coach is mostly like a guidance who is always with the athletes. And this made their traumas with the coach become more serious, as with the time, the coach has more opportunities to abuse them. Within those hours they are together, anything can happen. Secondly, coach has authority. This is a reason why most of the athletes refuse to inform their family or friends about their situation because the coach might do something to their sport life. They are afraid that they might be thrown out first before action is taken to the coach. Last but not least, they are simply a bully. Bully really like people who seem small, weak, and powerless. The coaches has more power and their age is bigger than the athletes. Mostly, the athletes become a perfect victim to unleash their bully side. If it's just the usual way to bully, then it has become a normal way to teach the athletes.